So I figured I'd share this experiment that I'm doing. I had one onto YouTube, and there was a guy who was talking about cleaning up the edges of these like 3D designs. And one of the ways is using one of these sort of heat probes, as I have a iron version. So I already tried this out, but I'll show you what happens with this. Let's see if we can zoom in. So I really didn't like this because when I was going in there, oh, you see it? A little strand right there. I don't know. It just kind of warps it. I guess for little strands, you can flatten them out very easily. That might be a good thing. Okay, let's try a different little piece. You see back here? That little piece right there? Let's try that. So, I guess this would be good for if you have like the loose, stringy filament on your designs to clean them up. But not these thicker parts, as you can see. It just kind of makes it worse. But let's try this other tool here, the little iron. Okay, so the bottom of this is, as you can tell, a little wonky. So let's try to clean up those edges right here. Okay. Let's see. Well, I don't like that either. And it's on high, so not a fan. Try it again. Try to focus. I guess if you're not careful, you can legit just warp the dimensions really bad of the design and cause more shrinking to happen. I guess you gotta try to kind of figure out a method to this. There's always a method to the madness, you know? Let's try this thing. This side was pretty bad. These are my husband's benchies that he had made, mind you. He doesn't know I'm doing this. Let's try this edge. Well, it's okay, I guess. Another thing I had learned is just clipping off like these big edges. So let's see if I can. Good gravy. Well, another method to cleaning up these jagged looking ugly lines is just using an emery board. Super easy. Let's try a couple of these back here. If this stupid phone would adjust. Who knew doing nails would come in handy for 3D print designs? Gosh, this is driving me insane. If anybody knows how to freaking fix this focus adjustment thing on my phone, that would be awesome. I already tried just turning off the stabilization thing and all kind of stuff. Not working. Well, this method works really good to like just take off that excess surface stuff you don't want. I feel so far away, honestly. You don't have to go too hard at this. I like the emery board method, honestly. Have a lot of control over it versus those heated probes in iron. I mean, you gotta be really careful with those. With this, you definitely won't have as many issues. Oh, I see a little strand in the back. Let's see. Come on. Okay. Take a couple of those off. I don't know. What do you guys think? We got a couple inside here. Pretty good, I guess. Coming along, coming along. I mean, it does look better. I like this method. Get you an emery board.